stopped or avoided or sought your permission not to go ahead, then, sir, things would have stopped there. And, sir, your Honorable Speaker, sir, you also allowed, sir, the discussion to go further. And then the questions went on, and there was no question of sub judice.
No, I have given the ruling yesterday because I am allowed to a limited scope for discussion. That was a question hour. So I can understand that how I can take it. Why I have accepted this letter which has come from the government is basically, it refers to Rule 59. I have already said it. If you want, I can again, which I am sure that all of you are aware very much. So I'm afraid that this might have some sort of reflection as far as the inquiry is concerned. That is on that ground. And I have to forward the letter which I have received from the government to the honourable member.
So we assure you that we will confine strictly within the boundaries of what we want to talk, not beyond whatever that is going to be sub judice, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the demand for suspension of the concerned officers is not at all something which can be considered as a matter of sub judice. Now, from the stand of the government, it proves beyond reasonable doubt that they are hell-bent on sticking to the decision that they have taken, and they want to completely stonewall any possibility of discussion on this so that we can have a logical conclusion and have a conscious decision to be taken by the government based on an offshoot of the deliberation of this August House. It would have been rather an opportunity for the government to actually review their stand and take a conscious decision which is considered best for the interest of the state. Now, in absence of that, we understand that even discussion on the subject will be meaningless because they will not be willing to even probably, in other words, it will all fall in deaf ears. Because even yesterday's proceeding, what we saw, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that when we heard the submission of the Honorable Siat, he seemed to have been disconnected because the fact that the minister in charge whom have gone ahead in replying those subjects which should have been avoided is what was referred to by the Honorable Commissioner, that was supposed to be sub judice, you have replied. Now, but the most important part is that I think the intent of the government is very clear before us. We will not, in futility, engage in discussion and debate. We walk out to demonstrate our disapproval and our complete sense of lack of confidence on the intent of the government.
I would like to say something, sir, on this issue, in this regard. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Andrew? Yeah.
Sir?
Under what?
We should understand the gravity of situation.
You remove the restriction now?
Regarding this very subject.
Yeah, you can move the restriction.
No. Regarding this very subject, which they are bringing in, to discuss about this issue, incident taken place on 13th.
But you can put the rule, please.
Sir, please be neutral. You are supposed to be neutral. You are supposed to be neutral.
Honourable member, please take your seat. Please take your seat.
Understand the situation.
Please take your seat.
The gravity of situation.
Please take your seat. Please take your seat. I'm neutral when I'm in the House. I've been very liberal to all the honourable members.